Hello students, our today's topic is write your own poem and then the man in the moon. First of all, we are going to learn write your own poem. This lesson number 23. Write a set of rhyming words. It means you have to make lot of rhyming words as you can and write it down. Make list of that. Like as here given, see, one girl is a mountain, fountain, light, night. Like this way, you can write lot of rhyming words. For example, before this you learn in our poems. Well, sail, other, mother, fine, blind, fine, wine, cream, stream, fall, all, tears, ears, spy, fly, hope, move. Like this way, lot of words you can get. And after that, you completing your set of rhyming words. Then make sentences or meaningful phrases in which the rhyming words appear at the end. It means with the help of that rhyming words, you can make sentences or you can write small meaningful phrases, and then you put that phrases or sentences as the rhyming words must be at the end. Then arrange the sentences or phrases in the form of a poem. Whatever you made sentences or your arrangement of the rhyming words, you can put it and arrange that lines as the form of a poem. Then to write your own poem, you have to learn or keep in mind some other points also. Here, think of something that you like very much. It means the thing, remember, keep in mind or remind the thing that you like very much, means your favorite thing. Here, one example is given of the boy. He is thinking about a rabbit. Description is given about that. Curly, soft, as white as snow, pop, lip. Describe it in a much detail as you can, stressing the part you like best. It means you have to describe your favorite thing by giving the words and more things or more details about that things. Make use of suitable adjectives, adverb or comparison. In that, you have to make use of the different types of words and you have to describe that words by using adjective, adverb or comparisons. Then arrange the lines one below the other in the form of a poem. Then next point is observe things in your surroundings carefully. Whatever you are seeing in your surrounding, look at these things carefully. Keenly observation you have to do. Then write short but good descriptions of what you see, hear, smell, feel, etc. And then arrange your observation in short lines written one below the other in the form of a poem. Look at the things, whatever you are seeing in the surrounding carefully, and you have to do the keen observation means. Then write short but good description about what you are seeing in the surrounding about that thing. You have to write a description. How that see, hear, smell and feel. Here one example given. Girl watching to the flower. About that, she remembers some words. cool breeze, fragrance, bright colors, flower blooms. In this way, you also describe any other thing, whatever you are seeing in the nature or in your surrounding, and explain that in a good words and arrange that in the form of a poem. Another point is, how do you feel when you are very happy or very angry or very sad? You have to express your own feeling in different conditions, as how you feel when you are happy or how you are feel when you are sad or how you feel about when you are angry. What do you say to yourself on these occasions? On such a thing, so on such a time, what things you are thinking in your mind? That also you can write. Try to write it down and arrange it in the form of a poem, like as why, how could I, never will I. Like this way, you can express your words and arrange that in the form of poem. Some examples I am giving you about poems. First of all, about the rhyming words. Some words I have to fall, all, stop, mop, and you can write the poem by using this word. It means you have to use that rhyming words in your poem. One day Mohan had a fall. He fell against the classroom wall. As he fell, he tried to stop, but tripped upon the classroom mop. One another pair of rhyming words is play, day, ball, all. Use these words in your poem as follows. Jenny Jones went out to play. It was a lovely summer day. She saw some boys play bat and ball. Oh, can I come and join you all? Then your activity second, describing words. Describing words. Kulfi cream, cold, sweet. You can explain these words as follow. I like kulfi cream to eat. It's so cold and it's too sweet. Some other word you can explain. Chocolates, favorite food, yummy, good. By using these describing word, you can write your poem as chocolates are my favorite food. They are yummy and so good. For activity 3, there also you can use different describing word like as a garden, fresh, wild and lovely. You can use that words like as a garden smells so fresh and wild with lovely flowers for every child. Then for activity 4, you can take describing words like as a happy, seeing, love, everyone and everything. And with the help of this word, you can make poem as when I am happy, I love to sing and love each person and each thing. And for sad, you can use the word sad, cry, shout, scream, yell, stamp, spout. Poem is when I am sad, I cry and shout and scream and yell and stamp and pout. Like this way, I had given you some examples, and you can also make some other poem as you can by using different words. And then we are going to learn our new poem, that is a man in the moon. Here we are going to learn a new interesting poem, The Man in the Moon. The man in the moon as he sails the sky is a very remarkable skipper. But he made a mistake when he tried to take a drink of milk from the dipper. He dipped right out of the Milky Way and slowly and carefully filled it. The big bear growled, and the little bear howled and frightened him so that he spilled it. In this poem, the poet is very imaginative and he has written a imaginary poem. This is not real, but this is imagination of the poet. The man in the moon as he sails the sky is a very remarkable skipper. Remarkable means unusual and skipper means captain of the ship or a boat. The poet says that the man in the moon as he sails the sky, it means he is a very remarkable skipper. Means the skipper means the captain of the boat which he sails in the sky is very unusual. But he made a mistake. When he made a mistake, when he tried to take a drink of milk from the dipper. Dipper means the things that used to take out something, and another also use here. Two meanings are there. Dipper means a container for taking out water, and also there are two constellations called Little Dipper means little bear and Big Dipper means big bear in the sky. Poet says that the man in the moon is a very unusual captain for his boat and which he sails in the sky. But one time he makes he makes a mistake when he tries to take a drink of milk from the dipper. Next stanza is he dipped right out of the Milky Way and slowly and carefully filled it. He dipped means he put his container to take out the milk from the Milky Way. He put that dipper very slowly and carefully he filled it. But at the moment something happened. What happened? See next. The big bear growled and the little bear howled. Big bear and little bear made some noise, and because of that, the skipper was frightened, and because of that, he spilled all the milk, and with that, the Milky Way is created. In this way, how that he put the container in the Milky Way and slowly and carefully filled it, and at this moment the big bear growled and the little bear howled, and this frightened the man so much, and because of that he spilled the milk. Like this way, this interesting poem is also finished. I think you like this poem very much. Thank you.